Shmai. Today we're going to be using the skills you've looked at the past couple of weeks to help you answer questions. I'm going to give you an example before I give you the questions to answer yourself. Question. In a school, 5/8 of children are boys. There are 125 boys. How many children are there altogether? So let's look at what we already know. When we look at our fraction, we know that there are 8 parts to make a whole. And we also know at this question that 5 parts will equal 125. I need to first work out what 1 part is. I need to share 125 between 5. 125 divided by 5. I'm going to use a bus stop method to help me with this. So how many 5s go into 1? Can't do that, so instead I'm going to go how many 5s go into 12. We know it goes in twice, and there's 2 left over. How many 5s go into 25? Well, 5 times 5 is 25, so I know the answer is 5. 125 divided by 5 is 25, so 1 part is 25. And with our previous lessons, we know that each part is equal. So we know our 5 parts all contain 25. But in our question, our whole is 8 parts. If we know that each part is worth 25, the remaining 3 parts must also equal 25. From our question, we know that the first 5/8 are boys and the last 3/8 are girls. But the question is asking how many children there are altogether. We do this by multiplying 25 by 8. I'm going to use a grid for this. I'm going to partition my number. I'm going to split my number up into a 20 and a 5, 2 tens and 5 units. I know I'm multiplying it by 8. My first calculation is 8 times 20. Well, I'm going to do 8 times 2 is 16 and then add the 0 after. Then I'm going to do 8 times 5. Well, I know 8 times 10 is 80, and if I half it, I'll get 40. Once you've worked it out, you need to add your calculations together. 160 add 40 will equal 200. We know there are 200 children in the school. Have a go at these and upload them to Seesaw so your teacher can see. Good luck, guys.